Hi guys. So today I'm going to talk about cloud computing. What cloud computing is what's the need of cloud computing and what's the benefit of it. I'll start with a very simple example. Suppose you have an idea in your mind of developing an application. You develop your application, now you need a server to host it. You buy a server. It's fine till now. But the problem arises when the traffic starts increasing that's using your application. You need more servers, you need more coolants, you need updation softwares, you need a support team to install your updates, you need security features, you need actually a lot of resources in short. So these resources means a lot of cost and basically a lot of time. So in the end you're left with no time to develop your application, and that was the main thing. So that's where the cloud computing comes in. Windows Azure Cloud Computing Platform is a very promising cloud computing platform. Cloud computing is a service which is basically very simple to sign up with. You can actually sign up with this service as simple as you make a Gmail account. So you sign up for these service to host your application on that cloud computing platform. It's fine. You sign up only for those service and those resources that actually your application needs. So the one and basically the most important feature is you're actually paying for the resources you're actually utilizing. That's it. Secondly, Windows Azure Cloud Computing Platforms comes in a 3 fragment structure. First fragment is what they call as Fabric. Fabric is actually a set of computers running Windows virtual machines, all the application software your app needs, and basically it has all the updation features, all the security features that is being handled by a team of talented guys at Windows Azure. So you don't need to worry about anything but just about hosting and developing your app. The second frame is the storage. All the storage capacity that your application needs, your user signing up your application, using your application, it needs space, and all that storage space is being provided by Windows Azure storage fragment. And what the Windows Azure team does, it combines both these fragments previously described, and they take a help of little visual studios to look at more better, and they provide it as in the form of SDK that you can actually download on your desktop. And what's the use of it? You can actually run your web application on your desktop before launching it publicly, so you can actually know how your application is doing, it's doing well or not, and what the changes you want to include in your application. Second feature of Windows Azure is that when you host your application on the Windows Azure platform, it tracks down your application. It tracks down your application from where the traffic is coming, what the users is liking, what the complaints of the user is, and it actually provides you with a set of stats and graphs, so you can actually improve your application of a period of time. The third and the most important use of Windows Azure Cloud Computing Platform is I want to show you with the help of a graph. Look, this is the graph. You develop your application here, right? Here. And you want your users to go from this place to this place. So what you do, if you apply for Windows Azure Cloud Computing Platform here, you sign up for the service here. Till then your users is going from here to here. You are actually just paying for the resources you're actually utilizing. But that's not in the case of simple and basic structure I've described before. If you're targeting this much users, you actually buy these much resources. Until you get here, you waste all these resources. So cloud computing platform solves all this. Thank you.